very brief, please keep your phone inside the bag and put your bag on the floor and sit properly and listen carefully. Thank you.
Before we begin, I'd like to acknowledge and thank the support of the following individuals and organizations who made this seminar possible. Our resource speaker for today from the private and government sector, CNU Vidaliano IC Campus Director, Professor Laarni E. Clotillas. Dean of CNU Vidalian, Dr. Chrysler Cabusa. Tourism Program Chair, Dr. Grace M. Flores. CNUM Tourism Society Advisor, Mrs. Charlene Padilla. SADO Coordinator, Dr. Concepcion Payo. CNUM Faculty and Staff. CNUM Tourism Society. Core groups from first year STM and THSM and third year STM and THSM. And last but not the least, the tourism participants.
To start with, may we all rise for the prayer and please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, ASEAN Hymn, Bagong Pilipinas Hymn, and CNU Hymn, and to be followed by the singing of the Golden Girl.
Julia for that wonderful opening remarks.
This juncture, may I call on one of the instructors of the course Organization and Management, Miss Leslie O. Manaselio, for the introduction of our resource speaker. A big round of applause, please.
campus, Professor Laorne Cortelias, to our campus dean, Dr. Chrysler Cabusa, to our tourism program chair, Dr. Grace Flores, to our advisor Tourism Society, Professor Charlie Padilla, to our saddle coordinator, Dr. Concepcion Payao, to the faculty, Ms. Mary Rose Binaro, to our resource speaker this morning, Mr. Reagan Jimenez, and to our participants for this morning's seminar, the Tourism Society, the first year and the third year Tourism BSc students, maayong bunta. Walay pamahaw. Again, maayong bunta. Okay. Let me introduce our distinguished resource speaker for this morning. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration in the University of San Carlos. Oh, sir, wow! He is a licensed fish examiner. And currently the Municipal Environment and Natural Resource Officer. Ladies and gentlemen,
freedom. So gitagaan mo kay gayunan na supervise yourself or do what is tasked. Unya dito ang feeling sa tuwa ko kay ako never, always remember this. Never think of yourself that you are expert, superior than anyone because you are tasked with that work. Ayaw mo pagunahon na ako'y kapamani. Ang imong nananaon, this is one way of helping the team to achieve its goal. This would work well if your team are experts than you or who needs more supervision, lead to poor production, lack of regular feedback, and lack of control. Diba? Ma-picture out ninyo, tagaan mo kagawasan nga kamo muhatag o mubuhat anang hindi buhaton nga gihatag sa inyo ha, but you feel that you are more expert, more well versed, you need more no supervision. Di na mo kinahanglan. If you feel like that, this will lead to poor production, lack of regular feedback, and lack of control. Ano man? Balik ta. Kamaon mo kukuha I can do this on the deadline. Muna pinaka-kuhan yun. Muna pinaka-no sa ato, sa ninyo, unya puhon.
question kay, as a tourism student, when can you say you are an effective leader?
As a tourism student, I can say that I am a good leader when I know when the work should be done. And just like what Sir Regan have told us, we should know that what work should be done, when should be done, and all those things should be applied as a leader. It's because when you don't have a purpose as a leader, you will not achieve any common goals at all. Especially when you are in an organization.
Sir Regan Jimenez na, which I kanang ask kanang leader, I kanang ko so we need to kanang have good leader in our employees so that kanang matigaan na tayo kanang okay
Nya, di man magpalupig diri speakers. Na di mo palupig no.
My insight about ceremonies discussion is being a group leader is one of the important.
Program Chair, Mr. M. Cabusa, Campus Dean, Loharni E. Hotelias, Campus Director.
Good morning, sir. To our teachers, Miss Leslie Minasilio, and Mary Rose. And to the DHSM 1 and STM 1, DHSM 3 and STM 3, good morning and mabuhay. First and foremost, I want to extend my deepest gratitude for making Pangasimangat 2024 theme Building High-Performing Professionals in the Tourism Industry, a framework for organizational success possible. This event would not have been possible without the collaborative efforts of each and every one of you for your dedications to planning and preparation. From design to execution.
Once again, that would be all. Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Katana. Now, we come to a special part of our program, the awarding of certificates for our resource speaker. To present the certificate, we call on Miss Binaro and Miss Bonasilio, together with the rest of the tourism faculty to hand in the certificate. With that, may I request our dear faculty to please come here in front.
We invite you to join me in acknowledging the dedication of our resource speaker that he has shown throughout this event. Before handing out the certificate, allow me to share a brief excerpt written in this certificate.
Someone, please come here in front.
Followed by the SCN1 after, and all together,
This is one and SCM 1.